Okay, good morning cadets. Let us do the simulation of fastest finger first. This will give you an idea of something called as interlocking. Right? So we say new project. Here is the PLC that we are going to choose. The PLC that we are going to choose is SR2B201BD, the PLC which is physically available with us in the lab. So programming language is going to be ladder. Now here the scene is that you have got two teams which are fighting against each other in the quiz competition, and they have been given a common question, and the whoever presses the button first, they will get a chance to answer the question. So we are trying to simulate that circuit. So I have taken a simple arrangement. This is team 1, let us label it. Say team 1, again label it. Say indication 1, and as always we will have a retention contact. So retention contact I will take from here. So here is the retention contact for team 1, and of course I need to have something called as a reset. So I will use this switch over here, normally closed, and I will label that as master reset. Master reset. Why it is called as master reset, we will see. Okay. So let us simulate the circuit. Team 1 presses the button, they get the annunciation, they release the button, still the annunciation indication which can be buzzer or light is on. It will keep on till the time the master reset is pressed. Okay. Now let us edit the circuit. Let us add one more team. So this is team 2. Team 2. Let us copy this because the master reset is going to be common. This is the indication for team 2. Indication for team 2. And its retention contact is placed over here. Okay. Let us simulate the circuit. I have not added any interlocking as yet. Team 1 press the button, they got the indication, release the button, still the indication is on, master reset is operated, the indication stops. Team 2 presses the button, they get the indication, they release the button, still they keep on getting the indication till the time master reset is on. Okay. Now let us add the interlocking. So for that I need to stop the circuit, right? So for adding the interlocking, what I will do is that here I will introduce right. So the retention contact of team 2 has been placed into the rung of team 1, and that for team 2 I press the retention contact of team 1, and remember this has to be normally closed. Okay. Let us simulate the circuit. Okay, let us see what happens. Team 1 presses the button, right? Now see what has happened. The moment team 1 pressed the button, this became on. The moment this became true, this became false. So even though team 2 presses the button, they will not get the indication. So this is called as interlocking. Now let us reset the circuit. Circuit is resetted. Now again it is open for any team. So let us say team 2 presses the button first. They will get the indication and automatically the rung for team 1 will be de-energized. Now we can always extend the circuit. So let me simulate the circuit. Let me add one more team, team 3. So here is my team 3. This is team 3. This is indication for team 3. Here is the retention contact of team 3 placed over here, and of course yes, the master reset. Okay, now in series of team 1 I must place great. Now here it will be again for retention contact of team 3. And for here it will be that of team 1. And that of team 2. Okay. I hope you have followed this. What we have done in the rung of team 1, we have placed the normally closed retention contact of team 2 and team 3. That for team 2 we have placed that of team 1 and team 3, and that for team 3 we have placed the retention contact of team 1 and team 2. Okay. Let us simulate the circuit. Say run, team 2 presses, right? The moment team 2 presses the button first, okay, their rung will be energized and automatically the remaining 2 rungs will be de-energized. They release the button, right? Still any other team press their button, that rung will not be energized. Okay. Now in order that other team should get a chance, I can press the master reset anywhere. Okay. Let us say team 3 presses, okay, so their indication will be energized. Automatically other 2 rungs will be de-energized. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.